Are you shocked by a high electricity bill? Well, take control of your electricity expenses with Samsung Air Conditioner featuring AI Energy Mode. With Samsung's revolutionary AI Energy Mode, you can set your energy usage limit, and your AC does the rest. Make sure your AC is connected to the SmartThings app via Wi-Fi. Follow these steps to set your usage limit. Open the SmartThings app on your phone. Go to Energy page. Enable AI Energy Mode. Here you can monitor energy usage on hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings. Select the electricity unit for your area. Select your state or region. Save the electricity unit cost for your area or state. To set your usage, go back and tap AI Energy Mode. Select Customized Saving, then tap on Achieve Target. Enter your desired bill amount or usage limit and confirm. Once set, your Samsung air conditioner will automatically manage its energy consumption according to the limit you have defined. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.